You mean? Her! Yes, right here, right here!
Get out, Harry Maguire! Piss off! Piss off, Harry Maguire! You useless piece of shit!
Oh, look at this. Look how easy it is. Oh, fuck! Bro.
Puis les fans de corps passent en retrait pour retrouver de nouveau Achia, le centre au deuxième poteau. La tête! La tête! La tête! Et Ibrahim qui vient ouvrir le score pour l'Égypte. L'Égypte fait la sensation et fait couler l'Argentine sur ce début de match. L'Égypte ouvre le score et c'est signé Ibrahim. Voilà les canailles! Voilà les canailles! Incroyable!
Applying some pressure. You don't got Wi-Fi. What? No! Egypt! No! Unreal jinx. Bobber, get out of here. Bobber, go back to fucking wherever you came from, bro. The jinx is crazy. No.
You lose when Jokeras was clearly that fault. And Egypt have scored. ازاي يا مصر بتعمليها ازاي؟ Egypt are 1-0. Vamos! Yes! Goal! Yes! ازاي يا مصر بتعمليها ازاي؟ كفو! احنا المصريين ياض!
Oh my god, what? What? Oh, Egypt! What? Egypt just scored against Argentina. Oh no, the head. No, Messi looks. Messi's going back, isn't he? Yup. I told you guys. Argentina is leaving very soon, and you guys don't believe me.
We'll see. Oh, that's a nice cross. Yes. What's let's go in Arabic? What's vamos in Arabic? Yalla, Egypt, yalla. Yeah. Yalla, Egypt. Sorry, I gotta be quiet. There's still people sleeping here. Messi!
Egypt have scored! Vamos! 1-0 Egypt! 1-0 Egypt! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, over the goal! 1-0 Egypt. What a header! What a header, bruh! That is an insane header.
You mean? Her! Yes, right here!
L'arbitre a sifflé. Messi s'élance, c'est frappé. L'arrêt de Chobir. T'es immense, Chobir, incroyable. Chobir, t'es immense.
Shubar! You can definitely tell your grandkids now. You saved the Messi penalty. You icon. You hero. You legend. Vamos! Let's go! Regala! Let's go! Let's go!
Messi, 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 Messi. And he saved it. I told you guys. Allah, I told you guys. I told you guys. I told you guys. I told you. Now, I have too much football knowledge. I have too much. I have too much football knowledge. I told you guys. I told you guys. Okay, that Egyptian brother just got a yellow card. I told you guys.
Plot for the plot for the plot. He's done it again. Oh, he's done it again. How does he keep missing these, brother? You could have been up 2 goals on your stats, dude. You could have had 9. It was a knife save. It was a knife save. Yallah.
Did not make this up. Oh my God, he missed it. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. He missed it, bro. He missed it, bro. Rigged. You rigged the game.
Oh! Oh!
Hassan, le crochet dans la surface, il est excentré à droite, le centre au 10 mètres, la frappe! La frappe! La frappe! Et cette fois c'est validé! Cette fois c'est valide! L'Égypte mène 2-0 face à l'Argentine grâce au but signé Zico! Oui monsieur! Oui monsieur! Aïe aïe aïe!
Bro, number 12 is nasty. This guy is nasty.
No, it's over now!
Zico again. It's the same guy. No, this guy's nasty. Number 12 is nasty. They won't be able to call this off. Who is this number 12? They won't be able to call off. Bro, it should be 3. It could be 3-0 right now. Yeah.
Hassan.
Plays for which club?
Real Oviedo, 24 years old.
One to watch for sure. That's number 12?
Yeah. This is his first start.
Bro,
at the World
never
Cup.
bench this guy again.
Sorry, no, he played at did he start? No, he didn't start against Australia.
Is this the same guy that's
Haytham! Zico! Ball, don't lie! Football justice! Same exact move! Run back! Haytham Hassan! Zico! 2-0 to Egypt! Football doesn't lie! Ball don't lie! Hold that, you corrupt frauds! Yes! Vamos! Regala! Come on, Egypt! Come on! 2-0.
Oh my God! What the fuck? What's happening? 2-0? Actually 2-0 now. Nothing is getting cancelled here. Oh my God, chat.
Yeah! There it is! Argentina completely collapsing! Egypt doubles their lead! Argentina's going home! Argentina's going home! It could have been 3-0, but that doesn't matter. It is 2-0. Mo Salah somehow finding the pass. I thought Salah waited way too long. But they somehow, whatever works. Works for me. Another counter. Egypt look.
Vamos! Vamos! You puta! You puta! Football gods, bro! Football gods! Football gods! You puta! Football gods! Roll this out, let me see you! Roll this out, let me see you! You absolute disgrace! Roll this out, let me see you now! Roll this out, let me see you, bro! Roll this out, let me see it, bro! Roll this out, let me see you, bro! Roll this out!
About it. My curse not gonna affect you that much. No. Whoa! Yeah! 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 Romero shit! Yeah, Romero! 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 Yeah! My curse! This is not curse anymore! This is not curse anymore! This is magic!
À droite de la surface, de nouveau avec ce ballon qui est récupéré par les... La tête de Romero. La tête de Romero. Qui réduit l'écart dans ce match, ça fait 2-1. Le centre de Léo. Ça réclame le offside. Hein. Ça réclame le offside côté égyptien. J'espère qu'ils ont...
Oh! Romero again! We're coming back! It ain't over! 2-1.
Un'altra!
Is that a Messi assist?
No, they're asking for an offside. Or yellow? What?
They're waving to the fans.
Attention. No,
It's good.
Everything's good.
Messi.
But that disallowed goal is 50-50, not clear corruption. It's not header. Oh, Argentina get one back. Shit, Cristiano Romero scores. Oh God, that's why I say be careful. They have Messi. You can't think that it's over. You can't think that this is over. You can't think that this.
And as soon as I say that, they score. As soon as I say that, they score. 2-1 Messi assist. No! No! What? I was literally preparing a thank you speech. Offside? They're saying offside though, I don't know. If this is offside, it's done.
Going back to Miami. Uh-oh. 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 Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. And just like that, Argentina is back in the game. Offside?
Go! Go! Romero! Go! He's offside though. He's offside. They're saying he's offside, but let's see. They're saying he's offside, but let's see.
Messi. I just changed the shirt.
Heureusement, mais ça revient sur Messi. C'est un cauchemar. Léo Messi qui égalise, ça fait 2-2. Mené 2-0, l'Argentine revient, 2 buts partout. L'Argentine revient, 2 buts partout. Et ben là, ça schlingue pour l'Égypte. Là, ça schlingue. Le ballon qui revient sur Léo. Et il envoie une minace en barre rentrante. Il envoie une minace en barre rentrante. Et ben ça a craqué. Ça a craqué pour les...
No! Oh my god, I'll do another assist, bro! Yeah! Fucking Messi! What did I say? Lautaro won! Whole game changes! What did I say? Oh my god! Bro, wipe your mouth! Get that fucking thing out of your mouth! What did I say? It's all yours, bro. Celebratory Ben and Jerry's?
Goal! Messi scores. Oh my God, man. Messi equalizer. That defense, man, the defending is so bad by Egypt there. After being so compact all game, the defense is it's imploding now. It's imploding.
No! Piss off! What? What the fuck? He's so good! He is so fucking good! What the fuck? 2-2! 2-2! Egypt, what did I tell? Oh my god! Oh my, I predicted this. I told, by the way, at the beginning of the stream, I told you guys, Egypt, they always struggle in the dying minutes, and this is, I told you, I knew it, fam. I knew it. I hate him. I hate him. I hate him. I hate him. I hate him so much.
Oh god, and it's deflected. Martinez! Oh! No! Of course, bro. Of course. What did I just say? Of course. What did I just say? I told you, bro. It was so inevitable. It was so obvious. They're going to score a third. They're scoring a third before this game is over. There is no way. Of course, Messi bangs it to the back of the net. You cannot hate watch this guy. It is impossible.
Oh! Go! 2-2. Argentina. Messi scores. I mean, I don't know how rigged you want to be. I don't know how rigged you want to be, bro.
What? Yeah! Wah! 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 Enzo!
Au deuxième poteau, la tête! Mais c'est pas possible! Mais c'est pas possible! Mais c'est pas possible! C'est pas possible! Oh là 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 là! C'est pas...
Hey, wow! Wow! Oh my god! Lofty! Antonio! Fernandez! To Enzo! Fuck you! Fuck you! What a beautiful pass! Julian!
Oh my god!
Julian!
No!
No! Hands up!
I feel vindicated!
Hands up! That's how I feel vindicated!
Julian Alvarez, what a pass to start the play! Opens up that play. Without Julian Alvarez, this wouldn't start.
Bro, Box on Box is the one that rigs the fucking tournament, bro. We pull the strings.
We called it.
What are the odds that just... No, that's actually unbelievable.
Bro, we are the Millies.
Careful. Be careful! Be careful! And Argentina have won it. And it's Enzo Fernandez. Argentina wins it at the end there. Oh my god. Argentina wins it.
Oh, piss off! What? 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 How? They made a comeback? I'm done! I am done! This is the worst day of my life! Ronaldo gets kicked out and now this! Oh, brother, how do you come back? What the Oh my god, you have to be joking, man. You have to be joking. You can't do this. Egypt, what did I tell you about Egypt? What did I tell you about Egypt?
Enzo Fernandez scores the winner. Argentina has done it. Argentina has done it. They pulled off the remontada. They made it look so easy. I told you they were scoring a third. I told you we're not going to extra time. Egypt completely collapses under the pressure, bottling a 2-0 lead.